Da da da. He's staring at me. He wants revenge. He's frozen. Freckles.
That dog hides. What do you think of that, huh?
Freckles. Freckles. Freckles.
Wanted to know what?
Freckles.
I thought I had an extra
Freckles.
I gave them that they're not using.
Yeah.
Well, I could sell it to them if we don't.
Freckles.
Somewhere out here is another applesauce.
Freckles.
Yeah,
Freckles.
I run it over.
And I'll go flat.
Oh, dog.
Freckles. Freckles.
He's trying to hide behind me.
Yeah, he's back there panting.
Yeah, but I can see him perfectly.
Yeah, I know you can.
So give him some rescue him. How about rescue us? How about rescue the owners?
Michael,
Yeah.
can you please do this so I can get the send to resume and revenge you?
I see you, Freckles. You got hide. Or can you?
He will try.